Speaking of cool phenomena, though, let's head to Yosemite. This is Firefall. Now, decades ago, they used to actually push burning logs over the waterfall. Then they decided that maybe that wasn't terribly ecologically sound. They don't do that anymore. But a couple times a year, the sun aligns just right. It makes it look like the water is on fire. This is incredible.
It is. It is during the second half of February where the light from the setting sun illuminates what's called Horsetail Fall in California's Yosemite National Park, and it is again right at that correct angle, that right angle to appear like the waterfall is on fire. Look at all the people down here just getting that Kodak moment.
And today's fun fact that no one needs. Also, Firefall, they're the inspiration for the 70s band. That's where it got its name, was from Firefall at Yosemite. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, because everyone wanted to know that. To Belgium we go, where farmers are protesting, and we showed this actually maybe 2 months ago, but these protests have continued. This morning in Belgium, farmers showing up with their tractors blocking off streets.
Yeah, and this is actually in Brussels. They're protesting outside of the Europa Building of the EU Council because the Council is hosting an emergency meeting about agriculture challenges, so they're showing
making their voices heard. And finally, we stay local for this one, and sort of a sad development here, a local business closing.
Yeah, that's right. I remember going out there when this business first
you brought back
opened.
beach glass.
Yes, and it's a local couple with their 2 sons that operate the Isle Surf and Skate Shop. This is on 12th Street. They announced, though, that the business will be closing. It opened up 3 years ago with the goal of providing a spot for surfers, for skaters, snowboarders, people who love the beach and skating. Isle Surf and Skate will officially close, though, on March 23rd. But to celebrate, the owners, they want to go out with a big bang. They want to have a last hurrah party, and that is going to be happening with a lot of local bands on a certain night.
Hey, how about that? Again, that event, Saturday, March 16th. Doors open at 4. Music starts around 6. $5 entrance fee. Details on erienewsnow.com.